Hi guys, this is Neha and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about makeup products. Makeup products that are cheap, affordable and under Rs250. Let's not forget, even if these products are cheap, they do their job quite well. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first product I'm going to say you about is Nivea lip balm. In case of lip balms, let me say I absolutely adore the Nivea lip balm. I prefer it over Maybelline one or any other one because it moisturizes my lips so well. So the cost of Nivea lip balm is just ₹160 and for the price it does its job really well. So the second product is the Patanjali face wash. And let me say you guys, if you have dry or sensitive skin like mine, then you should try the Patanjali face wash. And it costs around, I guess, 90 rupees or maybe 100. I'm not quite sure, but it is under 100 rupees. So if you are looking for a cheap face wash for your sensitive or dry skin, then I guess you should try the Patanjali Rose face wash. So the third product I'm going to talk about is the streetwear eyeliner kajal. As its name says, eyeliner kajal, you can use it for your upper lid or the lower line. It gives you a perfect matte look. Also, it is smudge free, but you need to let it dry for 10 to 20 seconds after you apply it in your upper lid. It costs you around $220 or $240. So let's move to the fourth product, that is the Sonata nail pens. If you are into nail pens and can't afford a big budget nail pens with different shades, you need to try the Sonata ones. They have so much variety of shapes and it costs only ₹50. Hope you guys liked my video, and if you did, then don't forget to give my video a big fat thumbs up and also comment down below if you want to see a part 2 of this kind of video. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I'm on YouTube. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.